In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a chatbot into your hosting or website. By the end of this guide, you'll have a functional chatbot up and running, ready to engage with your visitors. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to get your chatbot's embed code. If you haven't already signed up for a chatbot service, I recommend looking into platforms like AI, chat agents, or Open Assistant GPT. These services offer robust tools for creating and managing chatbots. Once you've signed up, go ahead and dive into their dashboard to create and personalize your chatbot according to your needs. This could include setting up conversation flows, customizing greetings, or uploading a branded avatar. With your chatbot ready, locate the deployment or integration section within the settings. This is where you'll find the HTML embed code that allows your chatbot to be integrated into other platforms or websites. Copy this code to your clipboard, as you'll need it in just a moment. Next, it's time to add this embed code to your hosting or website. Start by logging into your hosting or account to access your website's editor. This editor is your control center for making any tweaks or updates to your site. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and look for the Add Elements option. Click on it, and among the various options, find the embed code element. Simply drag this element onto your web page, placing it in the ideal spot where you want your chatbot to appear. Now, to get your chatbot live on the page, click the Enter Code button within the settings of this embed element. Remember that code you copied earlier? Here's where it comes into play. Paste the embed code from your chatbot provider into the window that pops up, then confirm by clicking Embed Code. This action applies the changes to the element, essentially embedding your chatbot onto the page. Finally, to make sure your new chatbot is there for all to see, let's publish your updates. Save all your changes in the hosting or editor by pressing Save Changes. Then click Update Website to push these modifications live. Once completed, you might want to refresh the live page and double-check that your chatbot is visible and functioning as expected. With these steps, your chatbot should be up and running, ready to interact with and assist your site visitors, enhancing their browsing experience and potentially improving engagement. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a chatbot into your hosting or website. Remember, having a chatbot can not only provide immediate support to users, but also help you gather valuable insights about your audience's needs. Thank you for following along, and happy chatting.